Okay, for our quiz 1, okay, regarding the linear equations and functions and relations, here for the first question we have what is the slope of the line passing through point 2, -7, and 4, 9? Now you gotta remember the formula for the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So to find the slope of a line given 2 points, first is make sure you label your points. Now, what do I mean by labeling? Labeling like x1, y1, labeling the second point as x2, y2. Now, it's really important for us to label the points so we can easily plug in the numbers to find the slope of line in the slope formula. And here for the y2 we have 9 minus, and then y1 is -7. But you have to remember in middle school or probably in elementary, you learned that 2 negatives is going to give you positives. So why don't we just go ahead and make it plus 9 plus 7. And now for x2 minus x1 we have 4 and then minus 2. 9 plus 7 is giving us 16, over 4 minus 2 is giving us 2. 16 divided by 2, or 16 over 2, in lowest term is equal to 8. Okay? So let's try to identify the slope of the y-intercept of 4x minus 3y equals 15. Now, you have to remember that to solve this question, make sure that you know that the y-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. We learned that m is going to be your slope, and then b is going to be your y-intercept here. So copying the formula, copying the equation 4x minus 3y equals 15, it's only telling us using this formula that we need to have y alone. So that means, just like solving for x or solving algebraic equations for the past couple of months, here we have to have y alone. As you can see, y is alone. We need to make sure that y is alone here. That's why we have to move that 4x over, and that's going to become negative 4x plus 15. Okay? And now we have negative 3y, and again, our objective is to make sure that y is alone. That's why we have to get rid of that negative 3. So to get rid of negative 3, we have to divide every term by negative 3, because again, we want to have y alone. Now we have negative divided by negative. Negative divided by negative is positive, and 4 over 3 is 4 over 3. Do not forget the x. 15 divided by negative 3 should give you negative 5. Now, let's go ahead and identify the y-intercept and the slope. The question here is just, so here the slope is going to be, that is your slope, 4 over 3, while your y-intercept is negative 5. Y-intercept is negative 5. That means if you use your calculator, if you plug y equals 4 over 3x minus 5, your graph is going to cross at negative 5 of the y-axis with a slope of 4 over 3. So the graph is going to be a diagonal line to the right. Okay. Now for our last 2 questions, we have here for the question, Bruce just ordered, okay, let's just ignore this part. So Bruce just ordered $6 per shirt. $6 per shirt, okay, plus shipping of $9 online. Try the equation for the total cost. Here C is equal to 6s plus 9. Now, again, using y equals mx plus b, your 6 is going to be your slope. That is going to be your slope. While y will be the y-intercept. Okay. Again, if you have question, if you want to master this question, I really need you guys to just pause the video and master this question. So let's go ahead and do the last question. Here we have to graph a line that passes through -3 and -1, 3 with a slope of 5, 4. First is we have to plot -3, -1, -3. And that would be this point. -1, -3 is this point. Now from -1, -3, let's apply the slope, which is 5/4. Now you have to remember that the slope is rise over run. You go up 5 times, and because it's positive, we have to go to the right 4 times. So let's do it. From here you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So here we go. We connect those 2 points. Okay, and we draw a line passing those 2 points. Make sure you have the arrows, and here we go. This is the graph of a line that's passing -1, -3 with a slope of 5/4. 5, you go up from the bottom point, you go up 5 times, and then you go to the right because it's positive. Here we go. That's about it. Ciao.